Welcome back, guys. Just a quick update on our 1400 build. We went out to buy some parts that we need on the van. Looked all over, especially for the back valance. Everybody seemed to be out of stock. Eventually got to a place called Commercial Auto Center. Definite checkout. If you're building one, repairing one, or needing any parts on this 1400 of yours, definitely check out Commercial Bakkie Center. They got it all. Have a look at this, and the prices are so cheap, guys. It's not worth repairing panels. You can just buy it straight away there. Have a look at this. So these are all the things we bought there yesterday. As you can see, Commercial Auto Parts in Shelby, Johannesburg. Definitely go and check it out if you need some 1400 parts. The back valance, for instance, that was priced at 295. That is super cheap, guys. The complete corner section taillight bucket, I think it was something like 650. That's not bad at all. Brand new taillights, lenses with the fittings, everything at, you can see there, 354 each. New bumper corners, back bumper corners were 120 each. Fender marking lamps were like $70 each. Front bumper corners, brand new ones, $75 each. I mean, that is ridiculously cheap. So definitely go and check it out, guys. We also got some suspension parts, some of our links there, idler arm, control arm bush, stabilizer bushes, new shocks. So they just got it all. Definitely swing by should you need anything. As always, guys, hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, and we might just send you some parts for your build.